Hello children, welcome back to grade 7 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to continue with the chapter number 1, Number System, and going to discuss on the topic Decimal and Binary Conversion. Let us understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to convert decimal numbers into binary number system and binary numbers into decimal numbers. Children, be ready with your computer textbook and curriculum worksheet number 1, pencil and an eraser. Let us move to the topic, conversion of decimal into binary number system. The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given steps. Step 1. Divide the given decimal with the base 2. Step 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Step 3. Repeat the steps 2 till the quotient is 0. Step 4. Write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. That is, placing the least significant digit at the top and most significant digit at the bottom. Children, let us see one example. Here we have 25 as a decimal number. We have to convert this one into binary. The first step is to divide the given number by 2. Write down remainder and quotient. Divide the quotient again by 2. Write down quotient remainder. Repeat the step 1 and 2 till the quotient is 0 and identify most significant digit and least significant digit. Now write down all remainders obtained in each step in a reverse order. Thus 25 is equal to 11001. The base number is given as a subscript. Children, let us solve two examples from a worksheet. Example 2. Number 12. What is the first step, children? Divide the given number by 2. Write down quotient and remainder. And divide the quotient again by 2. Write down quotient remainder. Repeat the step 1 and 2 till the quotient is 0. Now write all the remainders obtained in each step in a reverse order. Thus, 12 is equal to 1100. Children, write base value of the number. Let us see one more example. 36. Children, observe the problem. Divide the number by 2. Write down quotient, remainder. Repeat the step till the quotient is 0. And write all the remainders in a reverse order. Thus, 36 is equal to 110100. Children, hope you understood about conversion of decimal into binary numbers now. Let us see another topic, binary into decimal number. The conversion of binary into decimal number, we have to follow these 3 steps. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. Calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. Children, let us see one example. Here binary number is 1010. What is the first step, children? Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from extreme right digit. Here it is a right digit and power of this number is 0. Increase the power 1 by 1 and keeping the base value 2. Now calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. Thus, 1010 is equal to 10. Let us solve two examples from the worksheet. Before that, let us recall the power value of 2, which we have studied in mathematics. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 2 raised to 5 is 32, 2 raised to 6 is 64, 2 raised to 7 is 128, 2 raised to 8 is 256. Children, let us solve the example. 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the first step? Multiply the each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1. Keep the base value fixed as 2. Now calculate the sum of all products. Thus, 1, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 15. Hope you are clear now, children. Let us solve one more example. 11001. Follow the three steps. Multiply the each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from extreme right digit. Increase the power value 1 by 1 and keep the base value fixed as 2. Now calculate the product of all the numbers. Thus, 11001 is equal to 25. Children, the remaining examples you will do it on your own. Hope you understood binary to decimal number conversion. It is time to end our session. Home play. Complete the curriculum worksheet 1, page number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.